Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Subway M&M Cookie. So I got this here with a little combo meal. I haven't had their M&M cookies before, so I'll give it a little review, see what it's all about. So it looks like just a regular cookie, but added like chocolate chip plus M&Ms in it too. That's pretty cool. Let's get right into it. So Subway cookies have their own their own special taste to them. This cookie still maintains that. I don't know what it is. These cookies just they must be formulated perfectly to pair with their subs, because I find that these cookies are just amazing. I'm not a cookie kind of guy. I don't eat cookies a whole lot, but I even think this might be my first non-protein cookie that I'm having on this channel. So I don't have cookies often, but their cookies are, I think, my favorite cookie. A bite there, I got a little M&M in it. It's pretty good. Quite soft, but thin too. I don't want a big thick cookie. Good. I'll have one more bite with the little M&M there. It's kind of funny how it's splattered. And then I'll give my review. I love M&Ms, so. The colors are what make this. So, yeah, this cookie's pretty good. It tastes like their normal M&M cookie or normal chocolate chip cookie. I think Subway's cookies all kind of taste somewhat similar in a certain sense, but it's still good. It's a good cookie. So, I'm gonna give this cookie I'd say an 8 out of 10. It's a good cookie. It's pretty much a chocolate chip just with a few extra M&Ms in it. That's all you need really to make this even a little bit better, because they're already Subway cookies, I think, are known to be some of the best cookies on earth, scientifically proven. So the fact that they were able to follow up a regular chocolate chip with something like this and still keep that good taste to it, pretty good. Deserves an 8 out of 10. So yeah, go check this out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Also hit it if you love cookies, and I will see you in the next video.